right, Alex Ayala, here we are again. Wow, you've had an amazing grass court season. You beat 3 top 10 players. You were seeded coming into Wimbledon at Grand Slam. You played twice at center court. You beat the defending champion. I mean, you won at WTA 125 Birmingham. Alex, have you had the time to look back at what you have just achieved in the last couple of weeks?
I have had a bit of time, and although I am really busy, sabi ko, ang daming ganap, which I am so thankful for. I'm so excited to go through. But yeah, I have loads to look forward to. Yeah.
I mean, talagang dream bilang isang tennis player na maglaro sa Wimbledon. Seeded ka pa, makapasok. At twice ka na naglaro sa center court. I mean, wow. I mean, your prayers must be filled with thanks.
Yes, they are, and more than that, it's filled with thanks for my health, for my family's health, for the happiness that I've been experiencing, and for the strength that I was able to carry throughout this whole journey.
I have to ask you about playing at the center court at Wimbledon because that's the holy grail, right?
Yes,
that
is the holy grail.
That is like the place to be at for a tennis player. You've played twice. I heard Madison Keys and one other person. They've never played there. They've been on the tour like that.
Oh, really?
They haven't. Wow. Madison and I think Jess. I think 3 times now. So can you share what's it like to be in that atmosphere when you walk in, they open the door, Federer's watching you?
It is so difficult to describe because that's the dream court, and I know that when I walk in for a match, I don't think about it. But when I'm off, and I'm like, oh, so many things have happened here, so many momentous occasions in history, and tennis history have happened here. So to be part of that history is so incredible to me, and it's so memorable.
Ang daming impressed sa'yo kasi hindi ka now overwhelmed with the situation. Like you're able to focus and actually play your best game. How are you able to do that?
Well, it's my job. And whether I play well or play bad, there's so many different factors that go into it. And I guess the situation of playing on center court or the situation of a lot of people watching is not the only factor. So I know with the other factors, kind of, I can control them.
Yeah. So before you used to be outside the top 50, you're kind of the underdog, always trying to play against the higher ranker. Now you're like in the top, and everyone's trying to beat you. Does that change your mindset going into a match? Is it more pressure? Does it give you more oomph? Does it give you more vamos? Or how does it affect you?
It depends. Everybody on tour, the level is so close. So you really can't let your guard down because everyone's clawing to the top. Even I'm clawing. I feel like there's level and then the next level and the next level and the next level. There's always a level higher.
Yeah.
And I think that's in the pursuit of what we all want, pursuit of the same dream. So yeah.
Alex, yung laban at yung tapang mo sa court, saan mo hinuhugot yun?
Character, I guess it comes very natural. I've been a competitor my whole life, and I'm so passionate about tennis. I've worked so hard for everything that I've had. So never say die. No, never.
Never say die. Like all these years, she always says before the match, okay guys, enjoy kasi hindi na ako makakasalita. So she just has no reaction. How do you feel about that? Do you like that, or does it affect you? Or
I mean, my mom is a rock. She is solid na mami ko. And that's the level of fortitude that I wish to accomplish, but it's very difficult. It's a very difficult thing to accomplish, and I think it depends on the personality of a person. So for me, I think I need to find a good balance of also letting my emotions go out, especially when it's the tight moments and you're putting so much physical effort into it, so much mental effort. So
do you get your pagkakalma sa kanya? You think? Like your composure na hindi ka nalalato?
Maybe. Yeah, she has definitely passed a lot of good things on to me. So maybe that's one of them. Yeah.
You always had high goals. You always exceeded your goals. So what are your next goals now, Alex? I know you're headed for the hard court.
Well, my focus right now is to prep for US Open, some good tournaments, and I have yet to reconvene with my team, and I'm sure next week we will have a good meeting and maybe set some more goals after that. Yeah.
Your good friends on the tour, Eva, Vicky, Zeynep, sino pa ba? Coco, and then now Venus. Pag dinala mo sila sa Manila, anong ipapakita mo sa kanila? Where do you think
Siyempre,
you would like to
unang-una
take
yung
them?
pagkain.
Pagkain.
Yeah, I'd probably feed them at home. You know,
okay.
I will see my house. If they had come here, I cannot imagine all the fans that would go around them. Oh. But I love that bunch. I love the girls that I have on tour.
Yeah.
They keep me safe. They really keep me safe.
And Alex, to your millions of fans, you know, I just met so many of them downstairs. Some of them came from Mindanao, some came from abroad. One, you know, they just, I mean, it's amazing. Everywhere you go, and we've seen it. I mean, you're the envy of the women's tour. Like, for you to have a fan base like that, I mean, how would you describe your kind of support, Alex?
Ooh. I would describe it as community. Yeah, I would describe it as community. I think we, as Filipinos, we are a community that uplifts each other. We are a community that is proud when someone else does well, and so we can take inspiration from other Filipinos because we have a shared love for our nation. We have a shared love for our culture, and I think that's very beautiful.
And my final question is a girly question. How do you keep your hair super nice? It's so long. How do I mean, here I know na-blow dry.
Yeah,
Pero
na-blow dry.
kahit sa abroad, ang ganda, like lagi naka-straight. What's your hair?
I think shampoo and conditioner.
Ganun lang.
Yeah, sometimes hair oil, and I think mostly genetics. I think, and yes, mostly genetics.
All right. Alex, you know we're always behind you. I know and believe the best is yet to come. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
Bakit?
Mas deserving niya po.
Wow. Wimbledon racket?
Yes.
So, you're hoping na maibigay mo sa kanya?
Opo, kaya sa inyo ko na lang po.
Ay,
Kaya ano po, kayo na po magbibigay po sa akin.
oh my
Kasi
God.
wala po akong chances na ma-meet ko siya kung malago po kami. Kaya nakikita po kayo lagi sa interview.
Oh my, ginagamit mo to?
Daddy ko po, matagal na po, mga 20
Anong pangalan mo?
Enrique Manuel po.
Enrique Manuel?
Manuel.
Wow, bait mo naman.
Eh po, picture na lang po.
Yan, may mga nagdala ng... Wow! Galing naman, nagpa-print kayo? Marami pa po doon. Wow! Nice. Ito naman, may dalang... Ano yan, dala mo?
Belton bracket.
Ano, ipapasign mo?
Hindi po, bigay ko po sa akin.
Bakit mo gusto ibigay sa kanya?
Pressure po. Mas deserve niya po. National heroes po.
Wow! Sweet naman.
Ayan, papasahin po kami kasi ipapakilala namin yung group namin.
Yan.
Alex Ayala Squad.
Nice. Lagi kayo nanonood.
Yes po,
Ako,
kuya.
ating puyat
Ganda na sigaw niyo po doon, ma'am.
ating puyat,
Matuwa po.
puyat kami.
What did you make for Alex? A card. You like her? You watch her? Oh, that's sweet. What do you want to say to Alex? Sweet, sweet.
Ginawa ko po ito almost 3 days. So, unexpected na talaga papapapirma ko kay Alex to. This is it, Alex. Thank you very, very much. Finally, nakapagpasign ako ulit kay Alex.
Sobrang happy mo talaga.
Yes, ma'am. Happy ako. Sulit ang pagod ng 6 hours na nakatayo.
6 hours ka nakatayo.
Yes, ma'am. From 12 to 6. 12 to 8. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, Alex. Let's go, Alex. Go.
God bless. Get a signature.
Oh, great, great, great! I can trade it for the happiest day of my life. We are the mummies and grandmas of Manila.
I love Alex and Kenneth.
Alex, oh my God, we are such huge fans. Sobrang, it gives so much happiness to the Filipino people and to teachers like me especially. So yeah, role model for my students.
Amen.
Yeah.
That you got to see Alex na
We're very happy and sulit po yung pagtayo namin dito, yung paghihintay namin for Alex na hindi po namin expect. Isa-isa po kami niya pupuntahan dito and napakasaya po sa feeling.
Nice. So you're gonna watch her fine.
Yes, we're very excited.
What do you like about Alex?
Her mental toughness. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko talaga sa kanya. And I really watch her game ever since US Open. Yeah, I'm supposed to go to Wimbledon kung nag-final siya.
This is my second time actually. I was there po during nung inorganize ninyo na Manila Open. And this is my second time seeing her. And it feels good na nakauwi siya. Kasi it's been a long time coming na makapagpasalamat ang buong Pilipinas sa kanya, ma-welcome siya, and ma-witness yung warmth niya talaga. Mula dun sa unang nagpa-VIP picture hanggang dun sa dulo. Kami nasa dulo eh. The same energy, same vibrant and very gracious heart. So, mahal na mahal talaga natin siya. Mahal na mahal ka natin!